started. Yes, it is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It's working?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So give me 1 minute here. So where were we? So you wanted some tools. So these are the tools that I used yesterday. Okay. So we'll decide nobody has a challenge, right? And make a meme, nobody has a challenge.
Madam,
Yes.
1 second. Let me take a screenshot.
Okay.
Okay. Fine, ma'am. Yeah.
All right. And Slido, we did not have a problem. Twiddler, we do not have a problem. Flex clip is what you're saying you have a problem with. So in case flex clip is an issue, I'm going to show you something else called wave video. Okay. I'll take you through flex clip again, but then for the people who do not have flex clip or having problem downloading flex clip, and I've seen some messages in the WhatsApp group as well, can I please request all of you to go on mute? Because whenever somebody else speaks, the volume gets cut off. Chandrasekhar sir, I'm putting you on mute. Thank you. Okay, great. So Wave Video is another site where you can go. Again, I'm not promoting any site. These are the sites that I've used. So I know they're pretty easy to work around with. So I'm logging out because I'm logged in. Okay, so you can either sign in or sign up for the benefit of all of you. I'm signing up with Google, or you can just sign up with email. So let me sign up. Once you go here, you can look for what you really want. So these are again similar to FlexClip. You have multiple options. So since we are all from education, let me pick education here. Okay. Do we have any questions? No. Okay. So let me pick something that works for us. So you have a lot of options here.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Sir, is that with everybody or just me or just you, sir? Can somebody tell me?
No,
Is it?
it's clear.
It's quite good.
No, madam,
So
it is only
probably
with him. It is only with him, madam. Everybody is clear.
Sir, please check your network, sir. Thank you. So once you find something that you like, I'm randomly picking this company manifesto, let's say, or you can say teaser video. You can look for whatever you want and click on it. And then if you want to edit it, it will give you instructions as to how you want it to be. You want it to be square. It should be story like on your phone or on your laptop, because you can work on all three devices, on your laptop, on your tab, or on your phone. Okay. So click on next and then click on edit template. This is just information. So click on edit template. You will get everything in scenes. 1 minute. Okay. This is how the scenes are. So you will have instructions, clear instructions as to how you can replace a video. You can click on the background and replace the video. How you can edit the text here, whatever text it is already there, and how you can share or publish your videos. So once you click on looks good, say got it. So once I click on here, this is where I can insert text. Let's say, let me go to the next one. So here it is creativity. I don't want creativity. I want, let's say, imagination. That is how you change everything. You can change the background. You need to explore this, man. When you want to change the background, you can click on background and go there and make any changes. You can replace it. You can trim your background. You can crop it, rotate it. You can do anything. And then once you're done, let's say you can preview.
Our company manifesto is creativity, honesty, and sustainability.
Okay, and once you save it, you can either share the link as is, or you can download the video. And this is again free. This is something that you need to practice and work around with to understand how it is. And in case you have any questions, you always have this question mark sign. You can go there and find your information. Knowledge base actually has a lot of information as to how you can share, how you can edit, how you can create, licensing part, frequently asked questions, hosting your videos, where all can you host it? Can you put it on YouTube? All of that information is readily available, ma'am. And once you're done, you can go here on the left side. You see publish. You can click on share. And then you can either get a white label link, free link. Go for a creator. Don't go for a business plan. Go for a creator plan. And just share the link with your students or download the video. As simple as that. Now, if this also doesn't work on your computer, there are plenty. All you need to do is, let me tell you how you can look for these tools, okay? So go to Google. Are you with me? Hello, did I lose you? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why is it saying that I don't have network? Okay, I put 4 W's here. Okay, all right. So, best video editing software free online. That's it. You get a list. There are plenty. There is a huge article with actually the videos explaining how you can do that. Flex Clip is one of them. So you can go search for them. And anyways, Rajmohan sir is taking us through an entire session. His 90 minutes is dedicated to making videos for academia for our students and sharing it with our students, putting it up in the LMS and all of that. So that should not be a problem. So now that Flex Clip is taken care of, the second one is TED Ed. Is that right?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
somebody unmute? Okay, let's go to TED Ed. Okay, so let's go to, I'm closing this. I'm going to Google again. You don't need a website. You just need to type TED Ed. This is where you are. I've signed in, so you would have created your own account by now. I'll log out. You'll sign in as an educator. You go to get started. Here, when you scroll down, you'll see discover lessons. You can go either look for lessons of your choice, or you can go up here on the top right corner. You'll see a search button. Click on the search button. Let's say yesterday I picked English. So today I want to pick education 4.0. Let's see if there is anything on education 4.0 at all. Why perfect grades don't matter. Okay, let's see. This looks interesting. Okay. All your TED videos are divided into 3 parts. In fact, there are more in this video. Very nice. Usually it is watch, think, and dig deeper. Here you have discussion and a closure as well. So let's see how it is. So when you send this to your students, they first watch the video and then they click on think, and there are MCQs or otherwise. There are 4 questions. All of them are MCQs and no, the third question is an open-ended question. So they need to go through the video to be able to answer these questions. Now, some videos you need to explore. Some videos have these questions embedded into the video. So for them to continue in the video, they may have to pause the video, answer those questions, and only then they'll be able to continue. Some videos insist on giving correct answer. Okay. So, and the others actually give the questions towards the end. So you can pick the ones that suit you better. Then there is something called dig deeper, which has additional resources to explore. This works well in case you want to give them a project work. You want your research scholars to do some work, or your engineering students or your young kids as well to go ahead and read some more. This works pretty well. And there's something called discussion. And this is a forum. Usually, if you have a class that you've created, you can post these and they will respond. You can also view the discussions. So many people have responded. So they can have online discussing group right here. And finally, despite an emphasis on perfect thought, just a final thought that you can almost always leave. So if you want to use this lesson, but you don't like the question, let's say you want to change this question. a 2002 study revealed -% of students base their self-worth on their grades. Now you found another study that is done in the same area in 2020, let's say, or 1918. You want to change this question. How do you do that? So you can customize the entire lesson. So you go and click on customize. And then to begin with, you can change the text of this, your introduction. This will be your lead in or introduction into the lesson. And then you just go here. This is the question you wanted to change, right? So I want to change it from 2002. I want to change it to 2020. And then go down and then update, save. And once you're done, you can go ahead and share it here. If you share it there, it will only you will only share the video. Once you make the changes, you click on publish and then click on share so that you can share it with people. So once I click on publish, I can either make ensure that my students have a TED account, because if you have a discussion forum, it is always better to know whose point is what and what they want to say. So either insist for a TED account, which is a free account, of course, or you can go ahead and keep it anonymous, and people may not want to share their details, which we appreciate, and then share your lesson. You can either share via email, or you can just copy this link and then put it in the WhatsApp group. You don't have to download anything. If you even when you share it, the link will be shared on email and in the WhatsApp group, so that information can be taken from there. You don't have don't have to save or use any space in terms of storage and data usage. So that is how you use TED. There are plenty of videos available, lessons available. Don't worry about it.
So ma'am, when you publish, so that video is again like it comes on the TED website again with the changes.
Ideally it should, because if you see here the same video, no, it is the same thing. Ideally it should. If it is a free account, it will be available. It will be available, because yesterday we used this, if you remember.
Yes.
And then I'm seeing both of them, 5th and 5th.
Yeah.
And so many views already. I don't know. No, this is the original view count, but it will save both of them. So you might want to change the title as well, just in case you want to make it specifically available to your people and for them to identify and for you to share. You can change the title. It allows you to change the title as well. So don't worry about it.
Okay.
All right. Any questions? Any other questions on the tools here? These are the tools that we used. Should you have any questions, you can let me know. Any questions on the VR tour that we created yesterday? The tour creator? No, ma'am. Okay, great. That's pretty easy. You just need to go there, decide on the place that you want to show to the world, and then upload the image, either from your computer or Google Map. So if you do not have any questions, can I stop the recording? Can somebody please unmute and tell me if it's all right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, you can. Yes.